Hello everyone! Welcome to YUCa Japanese Cooking. Today I want to show you how to make onigiri, rice balls. Do you know onigiri? If you come to Japan or if you're living in Japan, you might see small triangle shaped rice balls at supermarkets or convenience stores. Onigiri is a soul food for Japanese people. Since it's so easy and simple, I didn't introduce in my previous videos. But I got so many requests from my guests and also from my friends from abroad. So I decided to film this video. And for onigiri, you can put many things inside, or you can mix rice with other ingredients and make shapes to make onigiri. So there are different ways to make onigiri. So today I want to show you very simple way at first. Then I'll try to add a little bit seasonings on the surface of the onigiri. I'm thinking to use yukari. Yukari is a purple color Japanese basil. It's a very minty and salty flavor. I like that yukari a lot. And I'm also planning to make black sesame and salt onigiri. And we say goma shio in Japanese. Goma means sesame seeds and shio means salt. So it's a mixture of sesame seeds and salt. Usually we use black sesame seeds for goma shio. You can buy goma shio at supermarket. It's a pre-made. Oh, are you ready to make onigiri? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Okay, so let's make onigiri. So today I prepared rice, Japanese rice, and I cooked with a ceramic, like this. And I prepared a water with spatula. Prepared 2 slices nori seaweed. It's already sliced, like that. And sesame, black sesame with salt, goma shio. And also a yukari, Japanese dried purple color basil with salt inside. So I'll do a simple move to make onigiri. At first I mix the rice, put water, a little bit on each palm, like that, and put rice directly on the palm, and with using 2 hands we make a triangle shape. And I usually tap, flip, 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 like this, to make a circle. And to make onigiri, please make it shape like triangle, like a roof of the house, like that. Then please attach, and then please roll, and then form, roll and form, roll and form, to make triangle shape. Yeah, so onigiri is done. Let's make one more onigiri. My family likes onigiri a lot. I think I usually make onigiri once a week at least, sometimes 3 times a week. Yep. Usually I flip like that. Yep, make a triangle. And sometimes you can make round shape. If you want to make circle, in this case, please roll fast. You have to keep rolling. Can you see? Like moving is like that. And keep rolling like this to make round shape. Round shape. You can roll like this. So round shape. If you don't like to touch cold water or water, I recommend to use cellophane. Let me show you. Yeah, so please prepare cellophane. And please put rice on the cellophane, like the same amount. Now please wrap the cellophane to make onigiri. Let's make triangle onigiri first. Who is always saying without cellophane or with cellophane? Yeah, cellophane. It's easy to make with cellophane too. Next, let's put some toppings. My husband likes onigiri, so in this case I use just plain salt. So I take a little bit of water on the pan and also put some salt on the pan. Then let's make onigiri. So and attach salt on all the surface until the salt is gone. Yeah. Then please put onigiri on the nori seaweed. Then roll like this. This time let's add black sesame and salt. So there are so many ways, but I like to put on each angle to be cute, to look cute. Can you see the 3 layers? Only the side has sesame seeds. It's cute. Yeah, like that. And yeah, I use nori seaweed again. So maybe it's better to put on the between and like that. Maybe. So next, okay, let's put YUCa. And you don't need to wet your finger. And same as last one, please put onigiri in the middle and fold. Okay. Did you get it? I hope you can make. Next, my family also likes a grilled onigiri. In this case, we grill the onigiri with adding soy sauce, and I usually put sesame oil on both sides and grill, let's say about 5 minutes. If you're interested in how to make grilled onigiri, please let me know and I'll film another video for you. Also buy the special seasonings to put with rice, to put in a rice cooker and mix together. So let's say this one. This one has a salmon and wakame seaweed and also sesame inside. And this one, it has a green color and it's a vegetables, dried vegetables and sesame seeds and also a small fish inside. It's all dried. My family likes these ingredients too. So I will put these vegetables, seasonings in here and mix all together to make onigiri. Not too much, since it's going to be too salty. So after putting the ingredients, please mix all together until it's all mixed. And then after that, the same technique. I will use cellophane again. So I sometimes make onigiri before my son coming back from his kindergarten. And after coming back home, he can easily take a bite. Okay, so onigiri is done. So let's try tasting. Since I like YUCa a lot, so I will eat YUCa at first. So this onigiri, and you can fold like this to make a triangle shape when you eat. Like that. Itadakimasu. It's always delicious. It's so comfort food. For Japanese people, onigiri is a must. You can eat onigiri when you're hungry. You can bring onigiri for a snack or anywhere. Japanese mamas, they make onigiri for their children as well. When their children have an exam and study hard at night, Japanese mama make this onigiri and serve with miso soup or Japanese green tea. Then always green tea. And I also like the special seasonings with vegetable inside. Itadakimasu. I like the sound of nori seaweed. It's so fresh. Oh, by the way, you can also put something inside, like pickled plum, or grilled salmon, or like a salmon roll, or anything. You can put pickled vegetables inside too. Yeah, what is good about onigiri is onigiri you can carry, so it's good for picnic too, or also good for a bento box. Plain onigiri is the best, I think. My husband likes just onigiri with salt and nori seaweed. Sometimes without nori seaweed. So I just make a onigiri with salt only. But he keeps eating. Very, very simple. Just salt and rice. So how was the onigiri recipe today? I hope it's easy to make. Please practice a lot to make perfect circle or perfect triangle shape. It's very fun. And then please bring onigiri for outside, for picnic, or for work, or for your children's bento box. If you have a request, please tell me anytime. I'll try to make more videos. Thank you so much. Bye.